Typing in the contact details of each potential client or business partner as you grow your network is tedious, time-consuming, and complicated. Duplicate contacts, outdated details, or calls from unknown numbers that have been stored in Outlook or the CRM system for ages, but your phone doesn't recognize them. How annoying. But now, there's a solution. The Secure Contacts app from Provectus. What does it do? It's simple. This app pools your business contacts from any source: Outlook, Microsoft Teams, CRM systems like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics, or your company's address book. Gone are the days of putting everything into your smartphone contacts yourself. Secure Contacts from Provectus offers plenty of advantages for your company and also for you. Automatic updating of contacts, so no need to do it by hand. Automatic merging of duplicates, so you're always up to date. Caller ID, so you always know who's calling and can take the calls you want. Display of Teams status. Teams video calls and chats can be started right from the app. Out of office function only puts through calls from favorite contacts. And everything is GDPR compliant. No data leakage to other apps, no unwanted syncing with rental cars or car shares. Make contact management easier for you and your company, and secure and convenient. With the Secure Contacts app, data protection and usability together with Provectus. Tomorrow's technologies today.